I logged out before midnight after a long time, like a really, really, really long time. It's currently 9:30 p.m. and I logged out 5 minutes ago, so I'm very happy. I hope मेरे सारे दिन ऐसे ही हो. Touch wood. Anyway, 4 दिन की छुट्टी है. कंपनी ने 4 दिन की छुट्टी दी है. I mean, Saturday, Sunday included. But let's see what I do on Diwali. Good morning, everyone. I sound very chirpy, but I am not. Did I get a good sleep? Not at all. Did I wake up on time? Not really. But I am sounding chirpy because I haven't been scolded yet for waking up at 9, which is important. No, it's importanter. What's important is I managed to wake up with one, 2.5 hours of sleep. I mean, I did go to bed at around 2:30 or whatever it was, but I couldn't sleep. So I fell asleep somewhere around 6:37. Yep, I woke up and that is important. Let's get started with our day. I came back from my shower and contrary to popular beliefs, I am not feeling energized. In fact, I'm feeling very sleepy. That might be due to lack of sleep, but I'm feeling sleepy, but I cannot sleep. Otherwise, I'll have to spend Diwali on the streets. The one thing that I really don't understand is प्रसाद में फल क्यों देते हैं मुझे. I mean, there are people who eat fruits. I am not a big fruit eater, even though I like apples and oranges, but prasad mein mat do bhai. I'm tired of telling this to mom, but okay. I thought I'll anyway get bored, so I decided to paint diyas. There are 4 of them, but can't hold all of them. I am not sure how that's going to go because I haven't done that since a while, but let's fuck it up like everything else in my life.
One eternity later.
I am done with the painting and the final shit looks like this. I know, very basic designs, not a lot of jazz there, but not even halfway. Like when I started painting, I realized that these are not regular earthen lamps. मिट्टी वाले दिया तो कतई नहीं है ये. पता नहीं from what material this thing is made. So the paint required a lot of coating and recoating, and I'm not sure how long the paint is going to last, but कर लिया, क्या ही कर सकते हैं. While I was at it, I also painted this छोटू सा Diwali kind of whatever it is. It's not a bookmark, it's not a full blown painting, but it's a quick 10-minute painting that I did because I was anyway getting my hands dirty. So happy Diwali again. Oh ho bhai sahab, festival lunches are the best. I mean, I didn't eat a lot, but I had a lot of dishes on my plate, and I'm someone who really eats eats in small quantities. So despite my huge frame of body, I am someone who eats pretty less, and considering that, I am almost in a balloon state right now. If you poke my tummy, it'll explode, I'll explode. फिर कोई नहीं बनाएगा vlog. But festival lunches are the best, which is why I think I'm going to take a nap now. Why am I thinking I am going to take a nap now? छुट्टी है भाई. Good night. See you on the other side. Good morning. Sleeping Beauty is up after 3 hours of her afternoon siesta, not because a hot prince came and kissed me, which would have been good, but because my mom scolded me and woke me up, which I think is almost as effective or perhaps even more effective in waking me up in my case. But anyway, dad has gone to some TV station, radio, maybe, TV station to shoot for an interview. So it's my duty to start lighting up all the diyas. In short, I am in charge of lighting up the house. I bring brightness with me. It is going to sound lame, I don't care. This is the rangoli that mom made in front of the main door. So we are not placing the diyas anywhere this year on our balcony or what do you call it, on the terrace, because घर पे पेंटिंग का काम चल रहा है. So these are the only two places, this and the other one that I showed. I am going to light up fuljhadis because I am a fuljhadi, okay. Because we don't burst crackers at home, so I have gotten out of habit. I used to burst crackers, at least some of them, when I was in Hyderabad, but here at home we don't burst crackers, so I'm going to light up fuljhadis. जल न रहे, क्या दिक्कत है? एक तो पटाखे वाले लूट ले रहे हैं, ऊपर से ऐसा माल पकड़ा देते हैं. सरकार ने ग्रीन दिवाली मनाने बोला था, यहाँ फुलझड़ी में इतना धुआं निकल रहा है. वाह रे वाह, लॉजिक. Okay, I don't really want to sound or look like one of those privileged people. I know celebrating Diwali at home with family is a privilege, but I really want to show this. This is the best dinner ever. Puris are my absolute favorite, and so is this sweet. I can make do with parval. I'm fine with this, but I am going to devour this plate. It wasn't a very eventful day today, but I am happy to be spending yet another Diwali with my family. I know a lot of people haven't been able to spend Diwali either with their family, or even if they have been with their families, they are not able to celebrate Diwali because of certain reasons. So I feel that I am very blessed to be spending it with my family. I know I didn't do a lot of things, but just being with my family is what matters to me. Yes, I did get scolded on a couple of occasions, but that is the life of the younger kid of the house. Today's vlog was as eventful as my day, so bear with it. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I post videos every Sunday. I post videos about art, photography, music, movies, series, books, poetry, and all sorts of random stuff. I hope you will like my channel. If you have been a subscriber since a while, thank you for staying subscribed. If you like today's vlog, do give it a like, comment, share, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you don't, तुम्हारे बेड के नीचे से कोई निकलेगा, and I mean it. There are no bloopers this time because the entire video is one big blooper. It would be really great if you could share my channel with other people and ask them to subscribe, because why won't you do it? I would be really grateful, and I would love it if you could share it with other people and ask them to subscribe. And until next time, bye.